Hi students, in this video I am going to present some techniques from the chapter Simple Interest. Those who are preparing for Navodaya entrance class 6, this will benefit you very much. Practice all these techniques each 5 or 6 times till you get perfection. Let us start our class. Simple interest. To calculate simple interest, we use one simple formula, that is PTR by 100. PTR by 100. Here P stands for principal, T for time, and R indicates rate of the interest. I, interest. So PTR by 100 by 100. First we write principal, after that time, and after that rate. So there will be only multiplication symbol, into symbol only. Between PTR we have only into symbol. Sometimes you are asked to calculate principal, sometimes time, sometimes rate. So for all these three formulae, we have division symbol. In numerator, 100 into I, here also 100 into I, here also 100 into I. To find principal, time or rate, in numerator, we have only 100 into I, 100 into I, 100 into I. Next, here take PTR. Now we are trying to write formula for principal. So cancel this principal, we left with TR. So write TR here. Now we are writing formula for T. So leave this T, remaining two terms are P and R. So write here TR. Now we are writing formula for rate. So cancel this rate, we left with PT. So write here P. In this way, you have to remember formulas for principal, time, and rate. Right? Okay. Remember my special numbers. These are 3, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19. If you find these numbers, you will get answer within 10 seconds. No need of writing formula or simplification, right? No need of reading entire question. These are my special techniques. How I am going to apply, watch carefully. After that practice each sum 3-4 times to become master of this chapter. Okay, let's begin. See here, what will be simple interest? What will be the simple interest for 2 years? For 2 years at 7%, at 7% per annum, per annum on rupees 4,000. This question was asked in the year 2007 Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas Samiti test, right? First option is 540, second option is 560, third choice is 550, fourth choice is 500. See, first observe the question part. What will be the simple interest? What will be the simple interest? Whenever you are asked to find simple interest, observe the numbers present in this question. Here I have my number 7. Yes, this number is enough to get answer. No more calculations, no more reading. 7. So out of these numbers, cancel one zero, no need of this zero. In 7 table, this 56 is present. 7 8 are 56. This will be our correct answer. 54, 55, 50 are not in 7 table. That is the magic trick I played here. Okay. Now I will explain the same sum in the ordinary method. See, we know formula for finding interest, that is PTR by 100. First write principal. Principal is 4000 into time period, that is 2 years. Rate is 7%. 7 percentage means we have to write 100 in denominator. These two zeros gets cancelled. We left with 427. 4 to the 8, 8 7 is 56. And one zero is left here. So I am writing 0. So 560 will be the correct answer. Next question. A person takes a loan of rupees 20,000 for his house repair, for his house repair work at 10% simple interest for 2 years. The amount to be returned, the amount to be returned, including interest, including interest after 2 years. This was asked in the year 2010 Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya test. First option is 21,000. Second option is 22,000. Third option is 24,000. Fourth option is 4,000. In this question, principal, time, rate are given. We have to calculate only amount. See here, to find amount, one special procedure follow, that is considered principal as 100%. Consider principal as 100%. Right? Now, interest. For 1 year, we have to pay 10%. For 1 year, we have to pay 10%. For 2 years, we have to pay 20%, right? 20%. This will be the interest. For 1 year, we have to pay 10%. For 2 years, we have to pay 10 into 2, that is 20%. Amount here, we have to include interest also. Principal plus interest. The total will give us amount. So here principal is 100%. Interest is 20%. So totally we have to pay 120%. So 120%, you have to calculate 120%. Here our number is 12. In 12 table, see, cancel all the 3 zeros. This is common. In 12 table, which number is present? 12 2 are 24. This will be right answer. That's it. Ordinary method I will explain. First we have to calculate interest, that is principal PTR by 100. P, time is 2 years, rate is 10% by 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 2 2 are 4, 4 1 are 4. Here 2 zeros, here 1 zero, totally 3 zeros. Principal is 20,000. Add this, you will get 24,000. Clear? Next. At what rate percent per annum of simple interest will a sum of money double in 5 years? Double in 5 years. First option is 25%. Second option is 20%. Third option is 15%. Fourth option is 10%. Here rate we have to calculate rate of percent, right? Sum of money becomes double. So whenever this standard question asks, just to take 100 and divide this 100 by the year. How many years are given? Only in this problem we are given only one number. That number right here and divide it. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s. So answer will be 20%. I hope you understood well. Ordinary method I will explain. To solve this type of question, you have to assume as principal 100 rupees. This principal doubles becomes double means amount will be 200. 100 rupees becomes 200 means we got 100 rupees as interest. In the time period of 5 years and the rate we have to calculate. Now to find rate we know this 100 into I by P. 100 I am rating interest. Interest is 100 rupees by P. P is principal 100 time, that is 5 years. Here 100 gets cancelled. 5 ones, 5 twos 10, 0 gets cancelled. So 20% will be the right answer. Clear? A person borrow rupees 5,000 at the rate of 6% from a money lender. After 5 years, what is the total amount? What is the total amount he has to pay? He has to pay to him. This was asked in 1997. First option is 1500. Second option is 3500. Next option is 5300. Next option is 6500. See, whenever you are asked to find amount always more than principal. See, principal is given 5,000. Here answers must be more than 5,000. This is less than 5,000, wrong answer. This is less than 5,000, wrong answer. These two are may become answers. Now, so to find amount, just to multiply this time and percentage. 5 6 are 30%. And add 100 to this. This is principal 100%, interest is 30%, totally 130%. 130, in this 130, this is in 13 table. 13 is our favorite number. In the beginning I told you. So with 13, 13 5 is 65. This will be right answer. This is not divided by 13. This is already eliminated. These are not in 30 table. Only this number is in 13 table. So right answer is 6500. This was a live test question, that is the sum of 600 amounts to 720 rupees in 4 years at a simple interest. What will it become? What will it become? In 4 years, if the rate rate of interest is increased by 2%. First option is 648, second option is 768, third option is 668, fourth option is 960. Using common sense, we get answer within 10 seconds. Right? How we do it? Here, what will it become in 4 years? That means we are asked to find amount. Amount will be more than principal. Right? So here, in 4 years, that 600 rupees, this 600 is principal here. This 600 becomes 720 in 4 years. Right? This will be the amount 720 in 4 years. Just 2% increase, there will be a 2% increase in the rate of interest. That means answer must be more than 720 and very close to 720. See here, this 648 is less than 720. So this is wrong answer because answer must be more than 720. So this is less than 720 wrong answer. Now we are left with this number and this number. Answer, there is a only 2%. 2% means a small amount. So more than a value that is a little more than 720. So this will be our correct answer. Now I will explain in ordinary method. Here interest is increased by 2%. So that's why earlier interest we have to find. So to find rate, use this formula 100 into I by PT. 100 I 600 becomes 720 means subtract this, you will get 120 interest. So I am writing 120 interest by principal is 600, time period is 4. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 6 ones, 6 twenties, 4 ones, 4 fives. That means 5%. Earlier rate is 5%. Now 2% is increased. That means add 2%, it will become 7%. Now we have to calculate amount. So principal 100% is 600. Every year we have to pay 7%. For 4 years we have to pay 28%. So principal is 100%, interest is 28%. That means 100 plus 20, 28. That is equal to 128%. So we have to calculate 128%. Take this diagonal elements 128 into 600 by this 100 right in denominator. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 6 8 of 48. 6 2 of 4, 12. 12 plus 4 16. 6 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. So answer will be 768. The question which I explained just now was from 2022. Now this question also from 2019, this question, what sum will amount to 6,600 in 4 years? In 4 years at 8% per annum. At 8% per annum. Simple interest. First option is 6,000. Second option is 5,000. Third option is 4,000. Fourth option is 6,200. So here amount is mentioned. We have to calculate sum. Sum means here principal. So information is amount. Amount is given. For 1 year interest is 8%. For 4 years it will be 32%. 100% principal. Amount here 100 plus 32. That is 132% amount. That means 132% value is equal to 6,600. We have to calculate principal. Principal is always taken as 100%. So 132% value is 6,600. Then 100% value. Just Answer must be less than this. 6606, 100 into this 100, right? Diagonal elements write in numerator. This number write in denominator. These are in 11 table. 11 6, 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja. Again 12 5 0. 5 1 ja 5. Here 1 0, here 2 zeros. So answer will be 5000. So this will be our correct answer. In what time a sum of money will be double of itself at the rate of 10% per annum? Simple interest. First option is 2 years. Second option is 5 years. Third option is 10 years. Fourth option is 15 years. See, you are asked to find out time. Here you find double term. Sum of money will be double itself. This is a standard question. Just take 100 and divide it by this number. Only one number is given in the question. So write this 10, divide. 0 0 gets cancelled, we left with 10. Or multiply this number with the options. The option which you get 100, which give us 100, that will be right answer. 10 2 ja 20. I am not getting 100, so wrong answer. 10 5 ja 50. I am not getting 100, wrong answer. 10 10 ja 100. I am getting 100. So this will be our right answer. 10 15 ja 150. It is wrong answer. By multiplying the number which is present in question and option must give us 100, then that becomes correct answer. I hope you understood well.